Why should anyone still study computer science or learn coding nowadays when AI can already write code, build websites, or even generate apps in seconds and do it better than developers? This all led me to ask myself one big question. Is learning to code even worth it nowadays? These thoughts hit me the other day, and it is something all developers think about. Because let's be real, you can literally go to ChatGPT and tell it to build for you a tic-tac-toe game in Python, and it will do it in seconds, 100 times more faster than any developer. So it makes sense to ask, do we still need developers and software engineers when AI can do the job faster and cheaper? If you're thinking like me, doubting your coding journey and ready to quit, well, stop. Let us shift our perspective and understand this problem. Here's the reality. Routine tasks like fixing bugs or writing boilerplate code will be automated, and that's a good thing. This increases productivity. But companies will still need human developers to guide AI and review AI's work to make sure it is safe and that it aligns to their goals. Because AI is not creative. It doesn't problem solve like humans. It doesn't know what the customer needs. This is where the developer must intervene to add creativity, fix the code if needed, and align it to their desired outcomes, or even guide AI into creating software that suits the developer's goals. And guess what? New roles are already emerging. AI project managers and even prompt engineers who communicate with AI. This is where the future of programming is heading. So if you're learning coding today, well, don't stop. But you have to know that for the future, you'll be working with AI, which means you still need to know how to write code. Maybe you won't be doing all the coding from scratch, but you'll review its output, refine it, and use it as a tool to build bigger, better projects than ever. The choice is simple. Either we adapt, evolve, and stay relevant, or get left behind. You have to make this choice. I know it may be sad for us who loves to code, seeing the skill that we love be taken by AI, and now we need to face reality and stay relevant. But hey, in the end, we must move forward and keep in mind, creativity, innovation, and the ability to think and problem solve are a must skill for developers. Not just knowing how to code, but to think and solve. I want to know your thoughts about this topic. Will AI replace us? Go ahead, comment, and give me your thoughts. I will be reading every single comment.